Let's make low sugar, high protein mango kesar pudding. Take some saffron. Soak it in a tablespoon of water and leave it aside for 30 minutes. I take frozen mangoes, add it to the blender, add some cardamom, pulse it so that it mixes properly and it's a smooth paste. It's almost like a sorbet when you taste it. Take some Greek yogurt, add some collagen to it and mix it well. Each serving will be approximately 40 grams of protein. Add cardamom powder and soaked saffron and also a little bit agave. Mix it all well. Now start assembling by putting the mixture in these cups. Now add some mango chunks to this mixture and press them in the yogurt so it all gets covered. Now put the sorbet in a Ziploc so you are able to squeeze it evenly on the top of the cups without mixing the yogurt. Layer, garnish it with pistachio, rose petals, and here's your delicious high protein, low sugar mango kesar pudding ready. Enjoy!